Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. I have a cool unboxing for you today. I was pleasantly surprised by my sales associate at Tiffany. I think you have an idea of what this is, especially if you follow me on Instagram. I posted it on my story. And around this time of year, like I was saying, I think you would know what this is. So it comes with a box and then also a card that my sales associate wrote for me. And you can see on the outside it had the paper flower motifs, because I think for this gift they change it every year. So the envelope and the card both have matching flower designs. That's from their paper flowers collection. And then here is the box that it comes in, and it also says New York since 1837. It usually doesn't have that on the other goods. So you can see the paper flower design is also, it's laser cut into this cage or case. So you can see it actually goes all around the four sides and the top. And then in this middle section is like a tower. You can see there it's a cover and then there's 4 slots. It has the same print as the box, Tiffany since, or New York since 1837. And this is what was inside, so no surprise, these are mooncakes. This is to celebrate a autumn festival in a lot of Asian cultures, I think. It's kind of celebrating the coming of autumn. Here's more detail on the cake. So these are more of the personal size, smaller cakes, because usually the large ones you would never eat by yourself. These have a lot of calories. So there are 4 of these. All 4 are identical. It's the same design. I'm assuming they're the same flavor. I haven't eaten it yet. I'll probably bring it out in the next couple of days, because the date for this year, Mid-Autumn Festival, or also called the August Moon Festival, is the Monday 24th. It's based on the lunar calendar, I'm pretty sure. So that means every year the date is a little bit different, just like Lunar New Year. Every year, if you base it on the Gregorian calendar, it's different every year. So those are the 4 items. They look kind of like the steam trays for if you ever have dim sum. That's what it reminds me of. So just giving you kind of a top-down view. Like I was saying, all 4 of them are the same. So they come in their own plastic packaging. And then lastly, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. So there's one more surprise after you've already taken out all of the mooncakes. On the bottom of this case or cage, there's a switch, and once you switch it on, it's like an on-off switch. There are actually LEDs inside. It's like a soft orange glow. So you can see all around. When you put it back onto the base, it basically resembles a lantern, which is also very festive, because that's what I believe people light during the festival. And the camera is kind of hard to pick up the lighting, but it's a pretty nice glow. So that was just my quick kind of unboxing. I was really pleasantly surprised by this gift, very happy about it. And unfortunately this year for my store, it seems like they didn't get the mooncakes for Louis Vuitton in. So I'm a little disappointed about that, especially since I ordered quite a few things, and actually this year was the first time I ordered trunks from there. Follow me on Instagram if you like to see more content and the latest updates, and definitely subscribe to me on YouTube. I have a lot more videos planned. So thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.